In front of me is Emporia Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access System. Now click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Manage Keyboards. Following that, you need to tap on this gray sweater next to keyboard in order to enable it. Then click on this blue one next to Emporia Keyboard to disable it. When you're ready, tap on the back button and click on Keyboard at the top. Now select Theme, click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones, and when you're ready, click on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Now you can manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. So when I click and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like downloads. Finally, after clicking on your photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and hit Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, just click on it and tap on this bin icon next to keyboarders. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon between keyboarders and bin one, and making your changes. Then click on Save and tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!